Hello everyone. The weather's getting chilly these days. I think winter's just around the corner. I picked up this fabric recently. It looks soft and cozy, doesn't it? But actually, it's quite thin. It only looks fluffy. So today, we're gonna make a cute cowhide look bag together. You can carry it on your shoulder or just hold it by hand. It's a really easy project, perfect for beginner. Let's take a look at what we need. For the outer fabric, the interfacing, I'm using felt, and the lining fabric. You'll need one piece each, cut to 16 by 30 inches. For the inside pockets, cut two pieces, 9 by 16 inches. Now this next part's optional, but I always carry a water bottle in my bag, so I'll make a little holder strap to keep it standing upright. You'll need a strip about 3 times the bottle's circumference and 3 inches wide. Alright, let's start sewing. Cut the inner facing half an inch smaller than the outer fabric. Sew all around the edges to attach it. When I top stitched it along the print line, it started to look just like real fur. So cute! Let's make the inside pockets. Fold the fabric in half right sides together and sew all around, leaving a small opening. Turn it inside out through the opening. You'll need 2 of these. Now for the bottle holder. Place the fabric right sides together. Fold and sew, leaving an opening. Turn it inside out, then sew along both long edges. My elastic band is pretty narrow, so I will sew one more line right down the center. Then insert the elastic through the opening and secure both ends tightly. Attach the pockets to the lining, about 5 inches down from the top edge. Do the same on the other side. Sew the bottle holder onto the lining as well. Fold the lining in half right sides together. Sew along the side and bottom. Leave an opening at the bottom. To create the boxed bottom, match the side seam and bottom seam to make a triangle. Sew across where the base measures 2 inches. Then trim, leaving a half inch seam allowance. Repeat on the other side. Do the same thing with the outer fabric. Fold, sew, make your boxed corners. and trim the seams. Time to add the handles. Sew 25 inches strap to each side of the outer fabric. Let the ends stick out about 1/4 inches from the top. Then makes them more secure. Then attach the 13 inches handles about 3 inches from the center line. Don't forget, they go on the right side of the outer. Now we'll combine the outer and the lining. Turn the lining inside out and place the outer back inside it. Tuck in all the handles. Sew around the top edge right sides together. Then turn the whole thing right side out through the opening. Fold the top edge neatly so the lining doesn't show. And top stitch all the way around. If you've got the magnetic snaps, you can attach them through the opening. Here's the little tip. Stitch the seam allowance of the lining and outer together inside the back. They will keep the lining from pulling out when you take things out later. Finally, close the opening. And you're done. Your cozy cowhide look bag is complete. It's soft, simple, and perfect for winter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly sewing projects. Thank you for watching.